Yeah, do some French fried chicken. You can see it from scratch, see it there. God bless you. Good morning this morning.
Yes.
26th of April. Auntie here, French fried chicken. You can see it from scratch, what I'm doing. Yeah, this is the way I do it. See, I flour my chicken legs and the thigh. This is the thigh. Breast, I cut up a whole chicken. You know? Yes, I'm doing some French fried chicken today. So, you guys who don't see already, touch the notice button, share, like, subscribe, and tell a friend to tell a friend, tell your sister, brother, nieces, and nephew. Everyone. Every one of them. Just go to it, subscribe. Who don't touch the notice button, touch that little button.
Right now.
Right now. Like. See it there? You can see them in there. Chicken. French fried chicken. That's what I'm doing. And some white rice. Steamed rice. I mean, look. That's the way I do my steamed rice. Nice. Delicious. Finger licking. Finger licking this rice is. You know? Chicken, rice, and a little bit from now I'm gonna do some vegetable. Right? Yes, so you can see the chicken bubble up, ready up, finger licking all the time. My little grand is helping me out.
Yes,
to use the thing, and I'm just subscribed. So who don't subscribe already, share, like, touch the notice button, touch a friend, tell a friend to tell a friend. This is Auntie Claire. Delicious French fried chicken. Everyone like.
Everyone.
Auntie Claire French fried chicken. Delicious. Finger licking. Bless up on yourself this morning and have a lovely life. So run and touch the notice button. Share, like, subscribe, and tell a friend that is the way Auntie Claire do his thing. So help me to share with love, joy, and happiness. God bless you guys today.
Bye.
With health and strength. Bye, bye, bye.